This morning I'm visiting the town of Irpin. This town outside the outskirts of Kyiv was bombed and shelled. People literally had to run after the initial attacks, grab their children, their suitcases, and evacuate from this idyllic neighborhood that they called home. For me, it is part of better understanding what the impacts of war are, but also together with the residents, the tenants, the people who have made this place their home, to understand what it means to try and help them recover quickly, to think about reconstruction, even though, yes, the war is not yet over. This morning I met Sophia and her husband and her son, a family of musicians, 3 generations living in the house that they called home. Literally in a matter of hours, that home was destroyed. Part of our work as UNDP is to help together with the local administration, first of all, to bring in the demining service, because tragically in these settlements, even these civilian homes here, after the retreat of troops, landmines are left, unexploded ordnance, being able to make that area safe for the next stage, which is then to remove the debris and the rubble, because tragically a lot of this material has to be taken away. Just in the last few months, we have helped 8,000 trucks of rubble to be removed in order for reconstruction to begin. This morning it has been my privilege and my honor to share some moments together with the people who will soon return to this neighborhood and, for example, into an apartment building like this. This building was heavily damaged during the conflict. It is now rapidly being reconstructed using funding and the platform that the government of Ukraine has launched, United 24, and invited UNDP to be a partner in the implementation of this accelerated reconstruction program. Together, we are showing that reconstruction is not something that is in the distant future. Even in this desperate moment, there are people who need to find a place to live. There are in fact already some residents back in this building right now. Here in Irpin, we as UNDP, together with the local administration and the people of Irpin, are showing that development and hope and the future all take us in the same direction.